should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again.
Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Guys, now I'm going to do my southern potato salad. Yes. And you guys remember that my daughter, she chopped up my vegetable and stuff. And them egg is already boiled. And it's more easy when you prep everything. These is my potatoes. I'm not gonna use all the potato. I might make some garlic mashed potato. I'll let you know. But this is usually the season that I put in my potato salad. And I always add like a teaspoon of sugar as well. But this is the ingredient, you guys, for my southern homemade potato salad. Yep. Alrighty, there you have it. So now this gonna go real quick, you guys. Very quick. Okay, you guys, and I like to saute my vegetable. I don't know, in potato salad, I don't like crunching vegetable, but this is what I'm doing, and I'm gonna add some maybe about a teaspoon of olive oil. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna saute my vegetable. Okay, now I'm gonna add my vegetables. Okay, you guys, so I know it seems a lot, but it's not, because we're not sauteed. So anywho, yeah, that's why I like to saute my vegetable for my potato salad. Okay, first thing I did, I add my peppercorn, black peppercorn. Ooh, like that. Now I'm gonna add some onion powder, garlic powder. And not just sprinkle like that, just all around. Then I'm gonna add onion powder, sprinkle, and a little Cookin, some sea salt. Just a little, not that much, just about like that. And that's my season for my vegetables, you guys. And you guys, this is my way. So if you don't like to do it like this, and you like to just keep yours, not saute, and you just like to just put it in, you just like to put yours in without sauteing, go right ahead. And like I said, some of the season that you don't like, that I put in, I'm gonna let you guys know, this is my way. Yeah, I'm just showing you how I do my potato salad, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna add my sugar with it. So I can blend in with the onion. Okay, so I put my potato, and I'm not gonna smash it up that much because I don't really like it too, I want it, so that's how I do it. And then I'm gonna, I was gonna do all, but I might make me some garlic mashed potato. I know you said, oh gosh, you're gonna have two different potato. No, no, no. So, okay, you guys, I put my vegetable in it. My potato salad. Hmm. Okay, you guys, I forgot to season my potato and stuff. Even though I season the vegetable, usually I always season my potato. And this on the seeds, I just sprinkle some garlic powder, onion powder, and I don't want to add no salt to it until I taste it, before I put my mustard and mayonnaise. Okay? So I just want to come back to show you guys that. Okay, so I did put the mayonnaise and stir it up. Usually, this is how much I use. Almost a jar, but not quite. Okay, so now I'm going to add my mustard. And another thing, you guys, if you guys like radish in your potato salad, sweet. But if I did used to put sweet radish in my potato salad. For some reason, I just don't like it no more in my potato salad. But if you're gonna put radish, I recommend the sweet radish. I don't know. That's my, reason. I don't like the dill radish. But if you go ahead and put maybe about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and it's mixing it together. But I just stopped putting in my potato salad. Okay. Okay, that's how much I put in. That may be about, I'm gonna say 2 tablespoons. Yeah. Before I want to show you before I mix it up. Okay, this is how it looks. And I might put a little bit more, but I need to taste and make sure it's enough mustard. Okay? And now this should be enough. My mom used to always say, when you making potato salad, you know how they say mustard potato salad? You want to make sure you could taste the mustard when I first added with it, but yeah. So that's the key. That's why it's called mustard potato salad. That's the key. Mustard potato salad. And you see how they look? See the mustard? Oh my goodness. Oh, my mama. My mama always did like my potato because I got it from her for her recipe. Oh, wow. So now I'm going to dice up some eggs, some boiled egg in it. But yeah, see the color? Okay, you guys, so I diced up 4 boiled eggs. And then I'm going to put some black pepper on top of the eggs, just to, get that season. You guys, black pepper is really good with potato salad. I guarantee. Now I'm going to mix everything up. Okay, you guys, so the last 2 ingredients, I'm going to slice the 4 egg on top and sprinkle with paprika. And that is my potato salad. Hope you guys make it my way. Okay, that's how the eggs look when I put the egg on top. And then I'm going to sprinkle some paprika on top as well. That's my southern potato salad. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, guys, there you have it. Whoa, oh my goodness. Look at that, look at that. Southern potato salad from my recipe from my mom, and you could also find this in my cookbook as well. Whoa. Good, good, good. All right. I'm going to close this out right here. Put it in my refrigerator and let it set overnight. And it is going to be good. I guarantee. Bye-bye. And yes, I am making this this potato salad. You can have it. You can have it any holidays, summertime. You know, when you have a cookout and stuff. It ain't only this potato salad. You don't only have to have it for Thanksgiving, but you can have it any time of each year. You know. All right. Bye bye.